Hello everyone and welcome back to Mathematical Mindset. So right here we have a 9 square root math simplification problem, and this is actually an Olympiad problem right here. So we have a question here that says the square root of the root of 12 divides 9 plus the root of 108. So we have to solve this. So the first thing guys you want to do is to simplify the equation. So simplifying the equation, this becomes the square root of, now for the numerator, we can easily express 12 to be 4 multiplied 3 all into 9 plus the root of 108 can be expressed as 36 multiplied 3. So from here, we have this to be the square root of, now for the numerator, we have the root of 4 multiplied the root of 3 divide 9 plus, now we have this to be the root of 36 multiply the root of 3. So this is equal to the square root of, now the root of 4 we have it to be 2 root 3 all into 9 plus root of 36 is 6 root 3. So we have this right here. So from here, we want to simply rationalize right here. So rationalizing, we have this to be the square root of 2 root 3 all into 9 plus 6 root 3 is going to multiply 9 minus 6 root 3 divide 9 minus 6 root 3. Okay, so we have this right here. So this is equal to the square root of, now multiplying the numerator, we have this to be the 2 root 3 multiplying 9 minus 6 root 3 divide by, now we know that if we have a plus b and a minus b, right, this is equal to a square minus b square. So applying this right here to the denominator, so this is going to become 6 root 3 all square minus 9 square. So we have this right here. So having this here, all we want to do is to simply do a little simplification. So from here, with writing the square root, so right here, we want to simply expand the numerator. So 2 multiplying 9 will give us 18 root 3 minus 2 multiply 6 will give us 12 root 3 all square all into, so for the denominator, we have this to be 6 square into the root of 3 all square minus 9 square. So this is equal to, we have here to be the square root of 18 root 3 minus, now this is going to cancel out this, so we have 12 multiply 3 divide 6 square is 36 multiply, this is going to cancel out this, we have this to be 3 minus 9 square, which is 81. Alright, so from here, we want to simply factor out the common term from both of them. Now, we want to simply factor out the common term. So from here, this is equal to, now right here we have the square root. Now, for the numerator, we have 3 to be common. So 3 is equal to, in place of 18, we're going to put 6 root 3 minus 12 because this 3 have been factored out. And if you factor out 3 from 18, we're going to have 6 divide. Now, for the denominator, we have 3 to be common. Now, if we have 3 to be common, so we have this to be 36 minus 3 is a factor of 81. So if you factor out 3 from 81, we are going to have 27. Okay, so this is going to cancel out this. So this is equal to the square root of 6 root 3 minus 12 divide 36 minus 27. So I'm just going to rearrange this right here. So this is going to become the square root of, I'm just going to rearrange this to be 12 minus 6 root 3 divide 36 minus 27. Okay, so I'm just going to rearrange this. So from here, this is equal to the square root of 12 minus 6 root 3 divide 36 minus 27 is going to give us 9. So from here, this is equal to the square root of, now for this, we can easily write this to be 1 over 9 multiply 12 minus 6 root 3. So we can rewrite this to be this right here. So from here, we want to simply recall this property that says if we have the root of a multiply b, this is equal to the root of a multiply the root of b, right? So we want to simply express this right here in this expression. So doing that, we have this to be the root of 1 over 9 multiply the root of 12 minus 6 root 3. Okay, so this is equal to, so the root of 1 over 9 is going to give us 1 over 3 multiply the root of 12 minus 6 root 3. but we know that 6 can be expressed as 2 multiply 3, and 12 can be expressed as 9 plus 3. Now, the reason I'm doing this is because I'm looking for a number that have a common term to both 12 and 6, okay? So this is equal to 1 over 3 multiply the square root. In place of 12, we're going to put 9 plus 3 minus, in place of 6, we put 2 multiply 3, the square root of 3 right here, okay? But we know that 9 can be expressed as 3 square, right? So this is equal to 1 over 3 multiply the square root of 3 square plus 3 minus 2 multiply 3 root 3, okay? But you know that the root of 3 square is the same thing as 3, right? So in place of 3 here, we want to put this. So this is equal to 1 over 3 multiply the square root of 3 square plus the place of 3, I'm going to put the root of 3 or square minus 2 multiply 3 root 3. Now, so the reason behind this is because I want to simplify the square root so that it will be easy for us to solve this right here. So I want to simply apply this, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to a minus b all square, right? So from here, we can easily note that right here. We can say 3 squared to represent a, the root of 3 to represent b. So this is the 2 right here in this equation, and we have 3 here to be a and the root of 3 to be b, right? So from here, we can easily express this right here to be 1 over 3 multiply the square root of, we have this to be 3 minus the root of 3 all square. So from this, we're able to get this right here. So this is equal to 1 over 3. This is going to cancel out this. We have this to multiply 3 minus root 3. Okay? So from here, this is equal to 1 over 3 multiply 3 minus 1 over 3 multiply the root of 3. So this is equal to, so this is going to cancel out this. So we have 1 minus, so from here 1 multiply with 3, we have root 3 over 3. But the root of 3 is approximately 1.7320. So this is equal to 1 minus 1.7320 divide 3. Okay, so at this point, this is equal to 1 minus 1.7320 divided 3 is going to give us 0.5773. So this is approximately, we have this to be 0.4227, and this become the answer. So guys, you can easily type this question into your calculator and you find out that we are going to have the final answer to be approximately 0.4227 to be the final answer. So guys, this is how you can solve this type of question right here, though it might be lengthy.